Hi, I'm Steve McIntyre from Nimans, the go-to people for technology, and this is another 60-second Tech Talk. And in this Tech Talk, it's one with a bit of a difference. We're filming it in the kitchen because we're doing a review of the Cosori 10-litre dual blaze air fryer. An amazing piece of kitchen technology. It is superb. It has a 10-litre tray, which can be used to cook in one 10-litre lot. I have actually cooked a 1.5 kilo beef joint and roast potatoes all in the same tray, enough for 6 people, and it did it in the space of 30 minutes. 10 minutes at 200 degrees to sear it, and then 20 minutes at 180. But it's not a cooking review, it's a technology review. So you can either use the unit with one 10-litre space, or using the divider, you can split it into two. And one of the novel things about the Cosori fryer is not only does it have a heating element on both sides, so you can split the cooking, you can even split the type of cooking function, but it has the heating elements top and bottom. So it cooks the bottom and the top at the same time. So there's no need to turn the food in the middle of the cooking. And it gets fantastic results. And I guess we'll have to do a demonstration of that to show you how it works. But let's have a look at the specs. As I said, it has the 10-litre capacity where you cook a whole chicken, roast potatoes, and enough for easily 6 to 8 people all in one tray. You can split it into sections, as I explained, but you then have a choice of 8 cooking functions. It has air fry, roast, bake, reheat, grill, dry, sync cook, and sync finish, all in one appliance. So it does give you good alternatives to traditional ovens, microwaves, and electric grills and toasters. But the sync cook and sync finish are interesting because that allows you to have different durations of cooking. So you might want to air fry something for 10 minutes, but roast something for 20 minutes. And with sync cooking, it will then go set them off, but cook the 20 minutes first, start the other one that only has 10 minutes at the right time so that they both finish at the same time. So lots of great flexibility. It has 45% energy saving because it cooks 65% quicker than a traditional oven. So there's an energy saving as well as a speed, and it has a very wide cooking range from 35 to 240 degrees. And it's also, because you're using air frying, you can use 95% less fat. So you can actually air fry your way to better health. And it comes with a smart cooking app. It's a free app from VSync that has online recipes, but also allows you to do your cooking, and you can see how long you've got left. You can't start it remotely for safety reasons, but you can do all the settings you need on your phone, send it to the unit, and you simply press start to get it to go. So I guess the big thing really is, how do you assess the air fryer? So we haven't got a chainsaw this time to test out noise cancelling, but what we will do is test the bottom and top and bottom crispness of some chicken goujons. So normally when they're cooked, if you don't turn them over, they end up with a soggy bottom on them. But I'm going to put some in here and cook them for 15 minutes at 220 degrees, and then take them straight out and see how dry and fresh and crisp they are. So let's try it out. So here's some chicken goujons straight out of the freezer. I'm just going to put them on one tray and pop them in, cook them. Like I said, I'm going to do 15 minutes at 220 degrees. So it's just a matter of sliding the tray in, pick the zone you want to cook, air fry at 205 degrees C, set the time, 15 minutes, and then hit go. So we'll come back to that and see how they are in 15 minutes. So here we are. They've had their 15 minutes cooking. Another point to note is how quiet the air fryer is while it's running. So it's just about to finish. So it's cooling off now, you can hear. And I've got a notification on my phone to say that the air fryer has finished cooking. So all works seamlessly. But the proof of the pudding is in the chicken, I guess. So we open them out, and using the tongs that come supplied with the air fryer, you lift them out just to see how crispy and fresh and grease free they are. So I'm going to lift them onto some kitchen roll straight out of the air fryer and then let them roll off that, and we can see if there's any fat retained on them, and of course hot but fabulously crispy. So that's the Cosori dual blaze twin fry 10-litre air fryer. An absolutely superb piece of kitchen technology, and state of the art and healthy and cost saving all rolled into one. So talk to your Nimans Home account manager. You need to get these into your stores because the customers coming in and seeing these will just love it. Thank you.
9 months ago to people for technology.